If you've ever had an issue where your Cricut is cutting incorrectly, I'm going to help you with that. Today, I'm going to teach you how to calibrate your Cricut machine. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that now, and let's get started. We're going to head over to Cricut Design Space, and what we're going to do is we're going to go up to this right-hand corner at the top, and we are going to click where your name is, and then we are going to go to Settings. From there, we are going to click on Machines in the top panel, and then you're going to select the machine if you have more than one. And now we are going to hit Calibrate. We're going to select the Print Then Cut calibration. On this next screen, you're going to select your printer, and then you'll hit Next. This is going to print your calibration sheet. Now that you have your calibration sheet and it's printed correctly, next we're going to go ahead and add it to the mat. Now that we have our paper on our mat, we're going to go ahead and load our Cricut machine. Your Cricut is going to take a few minutes to go ahead and read the registration marks, so allow it some time to do that. The whole process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Now that your machine is done scanning, it is ready to cut, so you'll just hit the play button and let it do its work. For the first part of the calibration, it cut the square out in the middle. Now you're going to see on the screen, it's going to ask if your square was cut correctly. Is it lined up? You're going to select yes or no, and it will take you to the next step. For this next step of the calibration process, it's going to cut lines in the top and the side of your calibration sheet, where you see the numbers and the letters. Now that the machine is done cutting, we are going to examine our sheet carefully. What you're looking for is the cut lines that are directly in the center of the lines. So for me at the top, that's going to be number 11. To me, that's the most centered number. And then when I look down at the side and examine each letter, I find that letter K has the most centered line. So now I'm going to head back over to my computer and put in 11 for my numbers and K for my letters. Now that we've entered our letters and our numbers, we're going to hit continue and go to the next step of the calibration. And this is going to be the outside rectangles around the sheet. And this is the last step of the calibration. Once your machine cuts around it, you're going to go back in and just select if your lines are centered or not. If you select it yes, you are done with your calibration. You just hit continue. If you select no, it will cut again. But this is the end of our calibration process. So once you hit continue, it is going to tell you that you are done. And now this is what it looks like when you are completely calibrated. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope that this taught you how to calibrate your Cricut machine. If you like this video, share it, and let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see from me in the future. And I'll see you in the next one.